There are 480 million children in India. 160 million of them live below this poverty line. These children don't have access to the basic rights like this. Hey, hello. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Hey, wait, what's the rush? Oh well, this is Ratna. She's 7 years old and she lives with her Dadaji and Dadiji. She wants to be a doctor. And all she needs is a plan. Oh yeah. The problem is Dadaji and Dadiji seem to agree with this. So now just like Ratna, Dadaji and Dadiji also need a plan. A few years later, she became a vet. I think it's the same thing, except her patients now have tails. Then Pooja will finally become a missus for the first time. And her husband is younger than her. Nahi yaar, he is not 12. He only teaches 12-year-olds. Mr. Samir, where are you going? I know he seems a little boring, but his story is very interesting. When Samir was a young boy, his teacher Tripathi ji asked him, what was 3 into 3? Samir said 7. Tripathi ji took his ruler and beat the boy black and blue. A mistake in maths led to a painful lesson in anatomy. His bones were broken here, and here. These were scars for life. Samir even dropped out of school. But with the help of programs like this, Samir found the courage to complete his education. And you know what? Today Samir is a teacher in the same school. But he has been using his ruler only to draw lines. Master Ji, do you remember Babu? Can I tell you about him? Babu's mother was a woman named Chandani. She was part of this. Before she had Babu, she gave birth to a boy named Kabir. When Kabir was 9, he ran away. But then a year later, she was pregnant again. Her child was born HIV positive. We all know society's outlook towards the HIV positive. I mean, imagine the life of that kid. I feel so... Wait a minute, that's not right. Lights off, music off. Guys, take it away. Chandani, Babu, come in. Master Ji, that's Babu and that's his mother Chandani. Chandani was a sex worker and Babu is HIV positive. But life's not that bad because programs like this and this got her out of sex work. And programs like this and this got him to lead a normal life like all other children. Chandani, would you like to know what happened to Kabir? Okay, ready? When he ran away, he was part of this. What a resume he built. Kaka's Bangle Factory, Railway Platform Tea Stall, Rupak's Melting Factory, and for a short time, even in this company. He was in need of guidance. Organization. You must be wondering how I know all this. Because I am Kabir and I work with Plan. Arey, ruko yaar. I still have a narration to do. So that's neatly tied up. But you know, the beautiful thing about our lives is that we share them. These are the sustainable communities that Plan India is helping build across 11 states in India since 1979. Communities where children can realize their full potential. Communities where they are at the heart of all the development works. Communities that are what their imaginations wants them to be. And when that happens, maybe one day together we can help remove this.